Today we're looking at Circuit Builder, AutoCAD Electrical's automation tool that builds you circuits, sizes components, applies ratings, and keeps everything consistent. Circuit Builder lives right here on the Schematic tab. When you open it, you'll see a list of templates. These templates are the starting point for building complete circuits automatically. There are basically two ways to use the Circuit Builder: insert and configure. Let's look at both so you understand when to use each one. Insert method. First, you can simply insert a pre-built circuit. I'll insert the vertical 3-phase motor circuit. When I do that, the entire circuit drops straight into the 3-phase bus. The contactor, overload, wiring, everything is placed automatically. But here's the important part. With Insert, AutoCAD Electrical gives you the full circuit immediately, but you will need to go in and adjust the details of each component manually if you want to change ratings, sizes, or properties. So Insert is fast, but it's more manual afterwards. The Configure method. The second way is Configure, and this is where Circuit Builder becomes much more intelligent. Configure lets you go device by device, starting with the motor. As you enter information, AutoCAD Electrical will automate some of the decisions for you. It will help you select wire sizes, and it will apply ratings to some of the components automatically. Not every device, but several key ones. You choose the motor, enter the size, pick the voltage, and you fill in those details, and you'll see AutoCAD update the circuit logic and component choices. You can continue with the rest of the devices in the circuit, adding information as needed, and Circuit Builder supports you by handling the repetitive parts. I am not going through every option here, but this gives you a good idea of how Configure works and why it's more powerful when you need accuracy and correct sizing. If you want to explore it properly, I recommend trying different motor sizes, voltages, and wire types yourself. You'll quickly see how much the tool automates for you. So that's Circuit Builder, a fast, reliable way to build circuits with correct ratings and components every time. If you're already using saved circuits, this is the next step in automating your workflow. Try a few templates, experiment with the options, and see how much time you save. Thanks for watching.